Moon.
Great and yourself?
Doing good, doing good. And we got Kim dropping in every once in a while when she's not watching some special shows out there. Kim finds the craziest stuff. All right, so what are you talking about? We're taking a quick look at the market while we're doing this. You're telling me there's Bitcoin shoes.
Yes.
Bitcoin shoes, guys, that are walking around with the ticker of Bitcoin. We are living it. Now, the good news, guys, just a kind of quick rundown here. We had our nice little bounce back, which is expected. People who don't understand, it's called finding a price range, right? Meaning that if you have one of the best supports at 39,000, it should bounce back, even if it's going to crash, right? Nothing goes straight up, nothing goes straight down. It works its way down and up. So as we're looking through here, we're just taking a quick peek. Now, what I'm looking for here is just kind of like, higher highs, right? Now, the scary thing is that I know it's only Monday, but we did pass that middle peak there, the 40,400, which is a good number to break. We did touch 40,300, but the number that we needed to get to was 40,500. We did not get that. So, to me, we have two things here. I think I love a good alt season. We are getting further into the season, as far as April 17th. There's a lot of news out there. Today we had the China GP come out. Did you guys get some any information on that? Did you guys get a chance to kind of hear the reviews
No,
of
I didn't.
China's growth? The most staggering thing to me, guys, is the funniest thing in the world, right? In 2021, 1 year after the U.S. elections, China went from making 4% growth to 8.
Wow.
Oh, I wonder who they paid.
Yeah.
Anyways, so what happened? So, anyways, during the entire lockdown, during everything that happened, during the every other country losing money, somehow China made 8% when they averaged 4, which is pretty crazy. Now, getting back to it, they estimated that they would have a growth period of 5%, and they're estimating at 4% on the following year. But what wasn't in there, and this is kind of like the FUD side, it's kind of like how we have the CPI come out and say, hey, interest rates are at 8.5, right? Or inflation, right? And everyone's like, all right, inflation, 8.5. And then everybody kind of gets to the point where they're pumped up. They're like 8.5 seems good, right? But they forget to mention that gasoline is really high and that the true CPI is probably around 10 or 12, right? Well, China does the same thing where they came out and what they came up with was their numbers and it still looked like good growth, except a couple people pointed out. And if you guys didn't get a chance to see the video, you need to hop on the link. Link is in the bio. Go to the link tree and linktree.com, venture capitalist. You can just go to my bio, go to Twitter, check it out. It's on there right now. It's the last video. And you guys can understand what's important about what was in there that they didn't talk about. And it's a little bit of FUD in there. And it's not really FUD, it's actual facts and truth of what's coming down the road. So if you're a Bitcoin person or a crypto person, you definitely want to go in there and take a chance and look at that because that is what's going to happen over there. You need to focus on that. Other than that, it looks like we're getting a little bit of bounce here, but we are still in a low end, guys. So be careful what you're getting out there, guys. Focus on your altcoins. Grab the pumps that pump. But I mean, like always, guys, not financial advice, just good information. I would probably take the profits at this point. Seems like the smart thing to do. What about you guys? Anything different out there?
No, I think everything right now looks to be expected because of the time, the times that we're in. Market, the weekend kind of is, always kind of in the red sometimes. But I mean, I don't expect Bitcoin to hit 20, but I knew that it would go down as it has.
Yeah, I mean that's kind of like interesting times, right? I mean, charting's getting very interesting right now for everybody. I mean, honestly, nobody, there's so much to take into accountability here. You can't even, charts are daily. I mean, when you're finding something to move, something that you can take advantage of, coins that are heading in certain directions. But I mean, I can't express how much that the charting side is probably going to be not as strong, or you won't get as much out of your chart as you think, because there's really nothing there. I mean, I said it over the last couple weeks, literally the last week. I've said it pretty much every day. I just don't see the money. Like
Yeah.
I want to be excited about all this cool stuff, but I just don't see the money. But we will be taking a look into the Bitcoin shoes, so that we're going to run on the next stream. So guys, go ahead and make sure you go check that out. Other than that, hit the link in the bio. We're going to be streaming and basically putting up the news and stories all day, so that way you guys have information. And that's pretty much it, guys. So we'll be back in a little while. You guys be good out there, and make sure you're always Dior on everything you do. Right, Kim?
Yes.
Dior.
Dior.